Stop settling for the status quo in the hardcore 4x4 segment. While the global industry was distracted by traditional legends, GAC Trumpchi quietly deployed a tactical weapon at the Beijing Auto Show. I am AVA. Today, we are decoding the U7, a brutalist, cyber-industrial masterpiece designed to shatter the dominance of the Tank 300 and the Leopard 5. This isn't just another boxy SUV attempting to look tough. It is a high-resolution engineering project built on a foundation of next-generation architecture. It blends raw mechanical violence with silicon-based intelligence in a way the old guard simply wasn't prepared for. Let's analyze if this newcomer has the technical discipline to dethrone the reigning kings of the off-road simulation. In the high-stakes world of modern mobility, downtime is more than an inconvenience. It is a fatal operational error. This is where the U7 executes its most aggressive maneuver. Built on a cutting-edge 800-volt high-voltage platform, this machine redefines the concept of energy recovery. Imagine the strategic advantage. While the competition is tethered to chargers for 40 minutes or more, the U7 can recover from 10% to 70% charge in a mere 5 minutes. Let that sink in. That is the time it takes to grab an espresso or check a single notification. By the 9-minute mark, your energy cycle is effectively complete. This isn't just a marketing figure. It is a fundamental shift in efficiency enabled by GAC's advanced thermal management and silicon carbide inverters. Even when pushed to the environmental limit, in temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius, the system maintains its high-voltage discipline, requiring only a minimal 3-minute buffer to reach peak performance. With a total combined range pushing past 1,200 kilometers, the U7 doesn't just travel. It dominates long-distance logistics without ever breaking its electronic stride. We are no longer waiting for the future to arrive. We are charging it at light speed. For the professional driver or the hardcore explorer, this technology represents the ultimate currency: time. And in this simulation, the U7 is currently the wealthiest player on the field. Beneath the cyber-industrial skin of the U7 lies the heart of a true survivor: GAC's advanced third-generation PHEV system, a masterpiece of dual-energy integration. This architecture is centered around a high-density battery suite that doesn't just provide power, it provides mission-critical stability. We are looking at a system optimized for extreme thermal efficiency, paired with a surgical 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that acts as a high-fidelity range extender when the simulation gets tough. But the real mechanical flex, the feature that separates the predators from the prey, is the triple-locking differential system combined with the innovative Snake beam chassis. While its rivals often rely on brute force and legacy hardware, the U7 introduces a sophisticated dual-motor AWD setup that delivers over 500 horsepower of raw, immediate torque directly to the pavement or the mud. The integration of FSD variable damping shock absorbers is a game-changer here. This hardware automatically senses and adjusts to the road surface in real time, hundreds of times per second. It creates a high-fidelity balance between German-level ride comfort during highway cruising and Chinese electrical dominance when navigating technical off-road trails. Every component, from the silicon carbide inverters to the reinforced subframes, is engineered for a high-utilization lifecycle. This is not just a vehicle built to move. It is a vehicle built to endure the most demanding mechanical stresses without compromising its digital soul. In the hierarchy of technical DNA, the U7 has just moved to the top of the food chain. True dominance requires more than just muscle, it requires vision. The U7 is equipped with a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor and the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8295P digital cockpit. We are looking at L2++ mapless NOA autonomous driving, a system that perceives the environment in real time without relying on pre-existing data. With an array of 26 high-precision sensors, this vehicle navigates complex off-road obstacles with the precision of a surgical instrument. It is a wheeled computer that treats the driver not as a laborer, but as a pilot in a high-tech simulation. So, here is the AVA analysis. The GAC Trumpchi Yue 7 is a calculated disruption of the current hierarchy. It takes the rugged soul of a Tank 300 and injects it with the high-voltage intelligence of a Leopard 5, then adds a layer of 800V charging speed that neither can match. It is the new gold standard for those who demand total efficiency without sacrificing the ability to conquer the wild. But if you want to stay ahead of this technical curve and decode the future with me, you need to be part of this network. Don't let the legacy brands dictate your intelligence. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and join our high-resolution community. I'm AVA, and I'll see you in the next simulation.